Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've never seen my face before, this is your first time to stop by. My name is Rokeya Khalifa. My ears are actually hurting. I've been wearing these earrings this morning, so they're a bit heavy, but they're not heavy, but they're a bit heavy. You know that kind of things, you have an outfit and the go of your earrings, you don't want it to like you don't want to change your earrings because you just think the outfit won't look good. That's like me today, but I wore this outfit today and I thought this earrings gonna look amazing, which it did, but my ears are literally hurting right now and I can't bother to change them, so I'm just here to film the video, guys. But anyway, let's go back to the video. As you can tell by the title, guys, today is I was about to say fashion haul. Today is a trainers haul, basically, guys. I bought the trainers about a month ago. I haven't worn the trainers yet. Just the perfect time to show you guys exactly what kind of outfit I'm gonna be wearing these trainers. If you're looking forward to to buy expensive trainers or to buy Jordans or any type of trainers that basically you're looking forward to buy, you're not sure exactly what's going on, the colors, how to dress it up, this is the perfect channel to be, guys, because I do basically buy random trainers, the trainers I do like, and I do style it with you guys. You can tell exactly what to go with and what not to go with, especially when it comes to fashion. Sometimes I think trainers, people are like, oh, just trainers, just pull anything and go with it. No, trainers, they have the perfect outfit to go with. So this is the perfect channel to watch, guys, so you can have like a little clue and a little idea exactly what to go for. Now, how to dress the trainers, it doesn't matter what trainers I do have in this video, you have to wear it the same outfit or the same way, or you have to buy the same trainers, you have to buy the same outfit. No, this is a little idea, guys, just to show you exactly how to look stylish and how to look so amazing and very comfortable on skin on trainers, because I believe some girls don't like trainers, they love high heels, or some girls they love trainers but they don't like height. So it depends what kind of girl you are. So this is the perfect video basically to show you a little random outfits that I usually, it goes on my skin, it goes on my shape, and then you guys can have a little clue and a little idea exactly what to go with your trainers and what to go with your little collection of your trainers that you do have. So it doesn't matter what trainers do you have, this outfit will go with all trainers that you do have, guys, basically. So let's go back to the video. Yeah, my name is Rokeya. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share and turn notification up if you haven't. Not even my old subscriber, hello guys, how you doing? I hope you guys doing fantastic. Please like and share and comment and turn notification up if you haven't yet. This is the perfect time to do so. Anyway, let's go back to the video. So yeah, let's talk about the trainers. So the trainers that I got, guys, I'm so excited for some reason. I don't know why, but I'm just so excited. I'm that kind of person that I like to be so excited for. When I get some new things, I always get excited because I don't know exactly what to wear it and how it's not look on me or whatever, because I got this is my imagination in my head, but just I don't have it like, you know, clear to know exactly what I'm going for and stuff. But anyway, so you guys are here with me, so you can help me as well in the comment section, so you can tell me exactly which outfit you prefer and which outfit you think no, which outfit you think, oh my god, yes, you got that right. Let me know in the comment section, guys. So anyway, this is the trainers, how they look like. I haven't worn, like I said, these trainers, they're brand new to me. This is how they come with the lace. They have two laces, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, they've got the black one and they've got the blue one, so it depends what kind of personality you have, but I'll go with the black one because I think the black one looks more better on the purple and black Jordans. I don't know, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? If you got the trainers, what kind of lace would you go for? The blue purple-ish or the black one? I'll go the black one because I think the black one goes with most of the stuff, so I'll go the black one. And this is how another pair looks like, guys. So beautiful, these trainers, you know what, yeah, when I went to buy the trainers, I thought to myself, would I like these trainers? That's the only thing I was literally thinking, because the trainers that I wanted to go for, I'll put it right here, the picture. This is the trainers I wanted to go for, guys. I'm dying for these trainers. They didn't have my size, and the trainers are quite expensive, better than this. So I thought, let me just get this for now, and then when I get my moolah up a little bit, I can get this one that I'm showing you right now, guys. This is the trainers that I want. So if you guys know where I can buy it very cheap and very affordable, but not fake or original ones, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll run for my legs, I'll run for my life to get them, because I'm trying to get them on an understandable price, not crazy price, understandable price, my size. I wear size 6 basically, guys. So if you know the place I can buy it very affordable price, let me know. I'll run for my life, I'll get them, because the place that I literally all the time I'm going to check, they're about £600, £700. I'm like, that's a bit, you know what I mean, you know, that's a bit too much for me. But this is the trainers that I end up got basically, and I love the trainers, I love the color. I cannot wait to wear the trainers, guys. I'm so excited, you know. When I see them, I'm like, but now face to face, I'm like, oh my god, I really love the trainers. Anyway, let's go deep into the trainers, how they look like, and how basically what size they are. So the size that I got on the trainers, guys, I got this size 6. Size 6 in UK, basically. I tried them on store and I loved them, and I thought this is just beautiful. And size 6 in UK, that is 6.5 in US. 6.5 in US. That's how the size 6 in UK is 6.5 in US. I never knew that, but anyways, now I know about it. It's all good. So this is how it looks like in the front. Basically, when you got these trainers, this is how they look like on the front, and this is how it looks like in the side of the trainers. Obviously is Nike, Jordan right here, the label, Nike label on the front. This is how it looks like inside. Nothing special inside. Is white, purple. Is this purple, or I think it's purple, dark purple to me. So anyways, it's dark purple, black and white, and yeah, and the bottom of the trainers is a little Nike right there. You can tell the Nike. So love the trainers. Let's talk about the price, how much I got the price. I got the receipts on me. Let me just get the receipt, guys, and I'll come back to show you exactly how much I got and what I got it, and good stuff, just to keep the name very short. So the trainers that I got basically is Jordan 1 Royal Toe. I would have showed you how they look like. So the price was, let me just check the price in here on my phone. So the price was £228, guys. That's what the trainers cost me. That's quite a lot, you know. Like if you work, let's say if you work like 9 to 5 job, that's like 2 days, in it, to think about it. £228. But anyways, it's worth for the trainers. You know what I mean? It's worth for the trainers. If you kind of love trainers, like if you are in love with trainers, like if you're that kind of person, you don't mind to spend your money on trainers, this is a perfect video, guys. So because I think the more you mind to spend your money, you can never buy a trainers, especially when it comes to this high end like Jordan's trainers, because it's always sold out. It's always, you can never buy it on the website like normal retail price. You have to buy it like on another website. Obviously they need to get something like benefit or whatever it is. So that's why the price is always different to normal retail price. So if you cannot get it at a normal price, you have to spend money. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, it's £228. That's why I got the trainers. The price on the website, basically. Do you think, guys, is worth it? I think it's worth it. I love the trainers. But anyways, I'm gonna do my lace. Should I do my lace? I'm gonna do my lace behind my camera, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you exactly what to dress with these trainers and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. This is the first outfit, obviously. I don't know, I think this skirt is quite big on my thing, but yeah, this is the first outfit. Basically this outfit is PLT, the top and the skirt. I really love this. Imagine with the trainers in the below. You can pair up with this like bag if you want to, or you can just wear it how it is. I just love the sleeve in this top. It just makes everything more girly and more sexy and whatnot, basically. This is how it looks like in the back. It's still brand new. I'm gonna do a fashion haul for PLT, so if you're interested in PLT pieces, this is a perfect as well. So stay tuned and subscribe. I got quite loads of PLT stuff, but anyways, let's go back to the video. So yeah, this is a piece that I got from PLT, size 8 and size 8, the skirt and the trainers, obviously size 6. So let me just try the trainers to show you exactly. I haven't done the lace yet. Ooh. Oh. So this is how they look like, guys. Yeah, I love this actually. This is the outfit, guys. This is usually an outfit. I'm wearing this outfit. I'm wearing this outfit. I'm literally wearing this outfit, guys. Look at that. Cute. I'm wearing this outfit. Not coat, not anything, obviously. When you drive, not coat, not anything. Cold, it doesn't kill. But if you don't look good, it does kill. So you're gonna look back in your pictures, now if you don't look good, that kill. But cold, it doesn't kill for like 1 night, guys. And I put up with like little accessory right here, gold earring, and little bit necklace right here to make it a bit detail. And my hair down, it just looks so cute, guys. What do you guys think? I really love this outfit. I'm wearing this outfit. Like, I'm wearing this outfit. I just need something to do the situation, because this top is just like anything. You can just like, ooh, it goes. But anyways, this is the first outfit, guys. I love it. Love it. Let's go to the second outfit. Anyways, guys, this here is my second outfit, basically. Little sleek dress, satin dress right here, guys. A black dress. You cannot go wrong with a black dress. If you don't have a black dress in your closet, something wrong with you. You need to be checked. Every girl in the world that do have a black dress, like, black dress is best friend of the girl, basically. You know how they say diamond is a best friend, diamond is best friend of girls. I don't know how it goes, the quote, but you understand what I'm talking about. But the black dress, or any dress black, is the best friend of a woman or of a girl. But anyways, so this is the little dress right here. I'm putting up with this lovely coat. So this dress, I don't know where I got it from. This dress, I got it from Zara, I think so. From Zara, this dress, it has like a little gathered side details right here, and the side as well right here, so you can gather it how you want to. And the back is literally open. This is how the back look like. It's open, guys. So yeah, this is how the dress looks like at the back. And then you can tie it how please, basically you want it to be shopped, how you want it to be shopped, guys, from this slight things right here hanging on right there. The coat, I got it from River Island. This coat is from River Island, guys. So this is how the outfit looks like. I'm gonna put up with my bag. Should I put up a bag, or should I just like go like this? Because this coat, it has a massive pockets on the side, and the coat is very, very long, like very long. I love how it's black and white coat. It's just so beautiful. And the same earrings, the earrings that they are hurting me, but they're not that hurt. And the gold necklace right here, and I'm good to go, guys. What do you think about this outfit? And if you pair up with your trainers, you can put with a bag if you want to, like a black bag. A bag from here. If you don't know this bag, everyone has it. If you don't know this bag, you're missing out. This bag is from Zara. Especially now they got sale. They might have sale from this bag. This bag was £20 basically. I love this bag. This bag goes with everything. So little bag, massive coat, tiny dress, you just like to throw on. Now if you're very high, you can take this coat off. You can just wear it like this. And this is the outfit. What do you guys think? I love this outfit as well. It's so cute. So this is the third outfit, guys. What do you guys think? All black. This is a jumpsuit here. I think this is the jumpsuit from Zara. And this is the leggings from Pretty Little Thing. This is how they look like in the back. And this is how the jumpsuit looks like in the back. Really cute, innit? I really love the details of jumpsuit. It's just like literally one-sided open. cute. It just gives you like that kind of lady feminine, it gives like that kind of lady look that you're looking for. You can pull your front inside, your big front, or you can just leave it like that and stuff. And when I do wear this outfit, I'll wear like a gold bangles in my arm and my watch as well. Just I like to match my gold earrings. Or you can take the gold earrings out if you want to, but sometimes I just like to keep my gold earrings. It just give me more depth on a look. Even that, guys, you can wear this outfit with a black leather coat. I got black leather coat. If you want me to show you with this outfit, I'll show you guys in the outfit in a minute. Jacket, coat, jacket. I was talking about, guys, the black. You can wear this on top if you want to, like everything black. And when you're hot, you can take everything out. You can just leave yourself with the bodysuit with your leather trousers and whatnot. So it depends what kind of outfit you're going for, guys. What's outside right now is freezing, so just keep your black coat in case, do you know what I mean, if it's cold and whatnot. And this is how the outfit is gonna look like, basically. Or you can pick up with the blue stuff in your hair. Just take your hair out. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Love it. What do you guys think? Love it. I really love it. It just, the trainers give you more depth and more compliment in your feet, basically. You don't want people to see what's going on, what she's wearing, what she's wearing underneath. You want people to see your trainers most of the time, what you're wearing underneath, and what you're wearing underneath the trousers. So I think this is a perfect outfit that you want to show up. You want to show your trainers off, because everything is black and your trainers is the only thing that has color. So everyone's gonna be looking your feet, not your outfit, your feet. You want to show up. You want to show your feet what you're wearing. This is the perfect outfit, basically, guys. You don't want to show much in your outfit, but you want to show some people what you're wearing in your feet. This is a perfect, just so cute. Cute, 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 cute. I love it. I just love it. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much to stop by. Thank you so much to watch the video. I hope you guys did enjoy the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the outfit that I picked for this video. If you have any trainers in mind, you don't know how to style it, or do you want me to do a haul about it, or anything that you want me to do about the trainers, please comment in the section below exactly what trainer do you want me to get next, and I'll style it for you. I'll talk through with you guys if you would like that, and let me know what is your favorite outfit that I originally picked on this video. Let me know, and I really appreciate that. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share and turn notification up if you haven't yet. This is a perfect time to do so, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.